Good morning, this is Zach from Voss Motors. This video is for Alan. Responding to your email in regards to the 2016 Avalon that we have here. Just going to do a quick little walk around, show you a couple different angles of the car. Super clean car, very well maintained, low miles. This is the touring, fully loaded version of the vehicle. Leather, of course, all the gadgets and gizmos, touring. So, vehicle obviously comes fully certified, safety, of course. Price of the car is $24,888. Only has 77,000 kilometers on it. Like I said, very well maintained. It is clean car proof. You can see that here. No damage, no liens, Ontario registration, no recalls as of right now. Very, very clean car. And if you are interested in the vehicle, you want to schedule a test drive or just a time to come look at it, just respond back to the email that I send you and we can go from there, discuss more details. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good one.